Let's get some of this mud, baby. Let's get wild, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh. I am one with the forest. I am one with nature. And this is how connected I feel with nature. Ah, hello, mother. Ah. I feel so connected to nature. Like, for many people, this is a foreign concept. Seeing me put mud in my face, walking barefoot, it's strange to people. Because this is not our element anymore. Our natural element has become civilization. That's all we know. All we know is concrete floors, buildings everywhere. But little do we step into what we truly are. Because we are nature, we just forgot. And I'm here to remind you that this is what we are. This is what we need to return back home to. We truly need to feel the earth beneath our feet. Sorry, Spider-Man. To feel this magic all around us. You know, embrace this. Because as I always say, once you connect to nature, you start connecting to yourself. Start connecting to your essence.